COD Cares is a campus-wide program for staff and students to do service work out in the community together. We send groups out in the community. These are nonprofit organizations in our community who need some help. Whatever the organizations need from us is what we're doing.
The whole idea with this project is housing. Let's get the veterans housed as soon as possible.
They'll be gone for about 2 hours doing work. Then they come back where they will be sharing the experiences that they had and what they learned about the organizations who serve our community members.